हम देख रहे थे MCQs जो कि मैंने 50 तक आपको कराए थे एंड रिमेनिंग मैंने कहा था कि जो लास्ट 50 MCQs है वो हम बाद में करेंगे। तो अभी हम फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं 51 से। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद 51 MCQ. Okay, which is who drafted Declaration of American Independence? So the right answer is Thomas Jefferson, B option. The next is the Treaty of Versailles was signed in. It was signed in 1919, D option. 53 is the first atom bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on. The right answer is A option, August 6, 1945. Option A, okay? The arrangement between Caesar, Pompey, and Crassus is called. It's called the first triumvirate. ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी आता है इसका 54 का। 55 है जी, the new birth of resurrection known as Renaissance is usually considered to first begin in. The option is Italy, C option. 56th is name two regions won by British from French in 18th century. The answer is Canada and India, option D. 57 है जी, who was the Prime Minister of UK at the time of creation of Pakistan? The option is Attlee, C option. The East India Company acquired in 1668 the island of Bombay from Portugal, C option. The 16th century revolt which divided Christians and Protestants and Catholics is known as C option, the Reformation. The second atom bomb was dropped in Nagasaki on which date? It was dropped on 9th August 1945. पहला वाला 6th August था, सेकंड वाला नागासाकी पे 9th August था, ठीक है, 3 दिन बाद. The Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor in B option 1941 December. Columbus discovered the New World in which year? In 1492. Actor Michael Shearer, who played a role of Hitler's character for 5 times, died on 31st August 2005, belonged to Britain, B option. UN General Assembly approved Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty CTBT on 10th September 1960. British relinquished the control of Hong Kong and thus it became the part of China on 1997, July 1997, the option A. Which one of the following sultans established diplomatic relations with China? So, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 66 का C option है. Muhammad bin Tughlaq established diplomatic relations with China. Who was Fidel Castro designated to his successor as ruler of Cuba? So, his brother. C option. 68 है जी. Leo Jirga plays a key role in the political process of which country? So the option is Afghanistan. 69. Which country was supplying 90% of the cocaine used in US at the start of 2002? The option is Colombia, A. The People's Republic of China was established in Beijing on 1st October 1949, C option. The war crimes trial for a former Yugoslav leader Slobodan Milosevic took place in which venue? So it took place in Hague, A option. Which party supporting the National Bank was created to oppose Andrew Jackson in 1832 in USA? The option is C, Republican Party. 73 is Communist Manifesto was first published in German, B. Which of the following has not experienced ethnic cleansing or genocide in the 20th century? Option is D, Venezuela. When did Joseph Stalin died? He was died on 5th March 1953. B option. Treaty of Lausanne was signed on 24th July 1923. When was the West Germany admitted as a member of NATO? Option is D, 9th May 1959. Sorry, 1955. When was Mussolini executed? He was executed on 28th April 1945. D option. What was the period of Abbasid dynasty? So it was from 750 to 1258. A option. 80th Fiji, which is the tallest building of Pakistan? So Beria Icon Tower. Who was the first Abbasid caliph? B. Abu al-Abbas as-Safa. Who destroyed Abbasid Caliphate in 1258? It was Mongols. North Korea invaded South Korea and which year? In 1950. B option. 84th Hijri, Ottoman Empire was an Islamic Turkish ruled state which spanned over three continents. C. The first ruler of Ottoman Empire was 85th B. Osman I. Okay. ये PMS के इस्लामियत में भी आया था खिलाफत उस्मानिया के पहले कौन थे तो it was Usman I. So 86 is the first capital of Ottoman Empire was D. Constantinople. Indian Congress came into power under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi in which year? In 2004. Which Turkish tribe created Ottoman Empire? 88 A. Anatolia. Anatolia. Which Turkish tribe? Anatolia tribe ने Ottoman Empire बनाई थी. Han Dynasty was founded after collapse of Qin Dynasty. Who was the founder of Han Dynasty? It was Louis Bang. Who was the founder of Umayyad Dynasty? Mawiya Rahmatullah alayh or Raziyallahu anhu, Hazrat Mawiya. So 91 is like during the reign of which dynasty the Chinese invented block printing and produced first block printed book in AD 868. Tang Dynasty. B option. 92. Mongols conquered northern China in 1215 as established a vast empire in Mongolia. Which of the following was the capital? Karakoram. B option. The British Empire began in the early 17th century by founding of colonies in North America. Byzantine Empire collapsed when Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople in 1453. C option. Which one of the following sultans established diplomatic relations with China? तो अभी हमने पढ़ा मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक थे. Who is considered the founder of the British Empire in India? Lord Clive. C option. Salahuddin Ayyubi emerged as the hero of Muslims in Third Crusade. C option. Byzantine Empire collapsed when Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople in अभी हमने पढ़ा 1453. C option. Ottoman Empire was eliminated from the world map in 1922 और फिर 23 में जो है वो कैमलिज्म या रिपब्लिक कैमलिस्ट रिपब्लिक स्टार्ट हो गया जो हमने अभी कल उसमें पढ़ा है टर्किश पॉलिटिक्स में. So when did Germany attack USSR in World War II? 22nd June 1941. तो ये हमारे कुछ MCQs थे. आई होप यू लाइक इट. MCQs ज़रूर कीजिएगा. PMS में पूरा एक पेपर आता है MCQs का जो कि ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है. सो इसके लिए आपको 40 मार्क्स लेने हैं टू पास द एग्ज़ाम. सो प्लीज़ उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करें. एंड गुड लक. थैंक यू सो मच.